Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to modify your nose on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below and then tap on the photo editor option. Click on the picture that you want to edit and then you should slide to the right side at the bottom of the page until you find the face option. Click on it. Then below the slider in the middle of the screen you can find these categories and tap on the third one, which is nose. Here you can set the height and the width of your nose by tapping on the relevant one, and then you can adjust it by the help of the slide in the middle of the screen. So now you can set the height and the width, but this one is a premium feature marked with the star icon. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.